Greetings everyone and welcome. This is Neo and you are watching Fintech. If you enjoy our content, please do not forget to leave a like. You can subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be informed about our later videos. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below. Before we start our video, let's hear our legal disclaimer. None of the information given in this video should be taken as financial advice. Please make your investments according to your own research. In our previous video about CoinEx, we mentioned that this video about CoinEx will be focused on spot trading features. CoinEx, as I have said, is a versatile platform that can suit the different needs of different users and traders. And they're not only focused on spot trading, there are many different things that you can do on the platform, such as fiat trading, futures contract, mining, and even staking. And spot trading is of course not the only feature of the platform. There are many things that you can do. There are fiat trading, futures trading, and there are many different advantages that you can get use of. Of course, spot trading is not the only feature of CoinEx platform. CoinEx is a versatile platform, as I've said, with many things to offer to its users, whether they're beginners or advanced users. As you can see, there is fiat trading and futures contract trading if you want to get a hold of them. Other than that, there are many things that you can use, such as fiat, swap, and there are finance section, which you can find AMM and financial and strategic pages, which are very helpful for new users as well as advanced users. You can also see the markets here on CoinEx website, which can be helpful for you to understand what's going on in the current cryptocurrency space. This video, however, will be solely focused on spot trading, which means trading of just cryptocurrencies. There are some reasons why you may want to consider using CoinEx for your spot trading needs. First, CoinEx has a powerful trading engine that can handle 10,000 transactions per second, making it one of the fastest crypto exchange in the market. Second, CoinEx offers a wide range of trading options, including spot trading, margin trading, and futures trading, as well as access to a large number of cryptocurrency pairs. Plus, as I have always said, CoinEx is an easy-to-use platform with various systems that can assist you along the way. First thing you need to do to be able to do spot trading is to sign up to the website, as we have explained in our previous video, and enable Google Authenticator for two-factor verification. Then the next important step is to make sure that you have enough assets on your account of CoinEx. If you don't have enough, you can make a deposit, which is very easy to do. You can transfer money into your CoinEx account simply using fiat currencies or other cryptocurrencies. If you want to withdraw, this option is also available. Alternatively, you can use directly fiat trading to make sure that you have enough cryptocurrency in your CoinEx account. You can use many different traditional currencies to buy some crypto on CoinEx platform. Next, you can proceed directly to the spot trading section. What is great about CoinEx is that there are helpful tutorials popping up on your screen to make sure that you know everything about spot trading before you even start. You can see that there is a tutorial video which I suggest you to watch, and then you can take the quiz to make sure that you understood everything. After this, starting is very straightforward. In the spot trading page, you will find various trading pairs, and it is great to see such a variety in a spot trading page. Below, you can find different methods and different advanced options while you are trading with spots. When you want to place an order, there are three types of advanced options to choose from. If you select immediate or cancel, any uncompleted parts will be cancelled right away. If you select fear or kill, only transactions that can be completed will be executed. And if you want to become a maker and get a discount with AMM, you can select post only. After deciding that what pair you want to use, you can see all kinds of information regarding the pair you choose, such as graph that you can customize as you wish, such as depth or candlestick, and information about the pair and token, and the amount of liquidity in CoinEx, which is very high, making it a popular platform with lots of action going on. Also, you can change dark mode, which I personally like. Below, you can find two different sections. Right side is red and left side is green. Left side is for buying and right side is for selling. Let's start with a very popular pair, which is USDT and Ethereum. Let's buy 20 USDT worth of Ethereum and on limit order and always valid. Before you buy, if you want, you can double check the token information on popular data providers such as CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. We should choose Ethereum USDT pair to execute this action, obviously. Confirm the action and actually you are done. When the market price reaches the preset price, you can successfully buy Ethereum. You can also add margin and leverage, but for now we won't. And it also informs you that these can be risky while you're buying. And I love the fact that CoinEx informs you in every step. So when you scroll down below, you can see the orders that you are trying to execute. And this order page is pending orders, and you can always cancel if you made a mistake. Your assets will be directly into your account when your order will be finished. And you can keep track of your order history and see all of your income and expenses on this order history section. If you have any questions, there are lots of tutorial videos on CoinEx which I suggest you to watch. As you saw, doing spot trading in CoinEx is very easy, and everything is in your CoinEx account, so you don't need to worry about third-party softwares to do trading. With its user-friendly interface, I think CoinEx is one of a kind. If you want to know more about the CoinEx, you can check our previous video where we explain newbie zone and other features. CoinEx is also quite active on social media, and they're continuously looking for new ways to communicate with their users. Telegram and Twitter are the two places where the most of the community gathers. With Telegram, they have more than 65,000 members, and on Twitter, they have more than 260,000. Following CoinEx on such platforms such as Instagram, Reddit, and Medium will keep you up to date about the platform, and they have many great events along the way. So, if you're a beginner, I think CoinEx is a great option. But even if you're an advanced trader, there are many great things and many advanced options in spot trading that you can get use of. That's it for today's video. We will continue to bring you latest news and promising projects. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching Fintech. Until next time.